Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm working on an '05 Dodge Durango. The AC system is not working on the car. Compressor's not kicking on. I want to show you a cool little tool that I use to help diagnose these problems. Check this out. So what I use when I'm diagnosing an electrical system, they're called relay bypass kit. They're pretty cool, actually. What it is, it's a relay, and each relay only has two prongs, and it's the hot wire, and the other prong is going to be the feed wire to whatever you're checking, and it's an off and on. Click it on, the item should work. Click it off, the item cuts off. All right, guys, if you're a motorhead like me, you found the right channel. Consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell for notification. Also, in the description below, I'm gonna put links to these relays and lots of other tools that I use. Anything you purchase through those links, a small portion helps this channel, and I appreciate that. Let's get into the video. It doesn't matter if I'm working on a radiator fan, an AC compressor, a window motor, or a fuel pump. This relay will work on all those things. Anything that is powered up by a relay, these things will work. The kit comes in 3 different packs. It fits a lot of different relays. And what it does is, the easy way to explain this is, let's look at an AC compressor. When you flip the relay to the on position, it supplies 12 volts to the compressor. If that compressor comes on, you know you have a good compressor. You know there's a good ground feeding the compressor. You know the wire from the compressor to the relay is good. And you know the 10 amp fuse, the wire going from the fuse panel to the relay is good. So that leaves you with 2 more wires. One is going to be a fuse, the back side of the relay. So you can check that fuse with a test light. If that tests okay, the only wire that's left that can possibly be an issue is the wire that comes from the powertrain control module, the AC clutch relay. And what you'll do is you'll put a test light in there and you'll check it for a signal. You cut it on. If you get a signal coming here, you have a bad relay. If you don't have a signal coming from the control module to the relay, then 2 things. You either have a bad control module or a broken wire somewhere. So you would ohm it out from here to here. 9 out of 10 times, it's either going to be a fuse or a relay or a bad ground. Let me show you how it works on an AC compressor. The first thing you're going to do is pull the AC relay. Then we're going to take the test relay that tests the circuit, and you're going to install it, just like that. Make sure that is in the off position when you do it. Start the vehicle. While it's running, look at the compressor. It's not moving. You can see the clutch sitting there. Flip this on. And if you look over here, look at the clutch spinning. So you know you have a good circuit going to the AC compressor. So guys, it's as easy as that to test your car's AC electrical system. Thanks again for watching. Catch you later.